Cooking shouldn't feel this hard. These 23 gadgets make it 10x easier, and number 10 will completely change your routine. Chop ingredients quickly and effortlessly with the Pampered Chef Food Chopper. Perfect for vegetables, onions, garlic, fruits, and nuts, this handy manual chopper saves time in the kitchen. Compact, easy to use, and dishwasher safe, it delivers fast, even chopping with simple press-down action, making meal prep cleaner and more convenient. Electric Hot Pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uleki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this upgraded microwave splatter cover. Designed with a built-in water steamer, it helps retain moisture while preventing messy splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, and the 10-inch size fits most plates and bowls. Durable, convenient, and a must-have kitchen essential for just $21. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Cook delicious meals anytime with the Cuisinart Griddler 5 in one indoor grill. Use it as a grill, panini press, sandwich maker, griddle, and more for endless cooking options. The dishwasher-safe non-stick plates make cleanup quick and easy, while the sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Versatile, convenient, and only $100. Jar revolving countertop spice rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. Enjoy fresh, healthy popcorn in minutes with the original Sal Brie microwave popcorn popper. This collapsible silicone bowl uses hot air popping technology, so no oil is needed for delicious homemade popcorn. Easy to use, easy to store, and perfect for movie nights, it delivers fast, mess-free snacking in a fun turquoise design, all for just $17. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Make perfect crepes anytime with the Moss Stone Electric Crepe Maker. This compact 8-inch non-stick pan delivers even heating for smooth, delicious results every time. Just dip, cook, and flip with ease. No mess, no stress. With automatic temperature control and auto shutoff, it's safe, simple, and perfect for quick breakfasts or sweet treats at home. Cook fast and efficiently with the Amschef Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. Meet the Zojirushi Zudo 5-cup coffee maker. Compact, stylish, and built for great taste every morning. This sleek red brewer features a removable water tank for easy filling, a charcoal water filter for cleaner flavor, and a durable, PFAS-free design you can trust. Perfect for small kitchens, it delivers rich, smooth coffee without the hassle. All for just $90. Cook and grill with less mess using this 2-in-1 oil brush bottle. Featuring a silicone brush head and durable borosilicate glass dispenser, it lets you brush and store oil in one handy tool. The leak-proof, no-drip design is perfect for BBQs, camping, and everyday cooking. Convenient, stylish, and only $14, a must-have kitchen gadget. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Enjoy crispy, grilled flavor straight from your microwave with this microwave grill pan with lid. Perfect for browning meats, crisping sandwiches, and grilling vegetables. It delivers fast, even cooking without a stovetop. The multi-use griddle and crisper tray design makes meals quick, easy, and delicious. Convenient microwave-safe cookware for just $40. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the El Fico hanging trash can with lid. This 2.5-gallon compact bin is perfect for undersink, cupboard, or countertop use. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it saves space while the secure lid locks in odors. Durable, modern, and convenient, it's an ideal solution for everyday kitchen waste and compost. Upgrade your cooking game with the NewWave Combi Steam Oven, just $360. This 16-quart multi-cooker combines air fry, steam, sous vide, and more with 120 presets and precise 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control. With moisture control and a non-toxic stainless steel design, it delivers healthier, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Make lunch fun and mess-free with this sandwich cutter and sealer set. Easily create crustless, sealed sandwiches in triangle, circle, or square shapes. Perfect for kids' lunch boxes and bento meals. It's quick, safe, and turns ordinary bread into fun, bite-sized snacks kids will love. Great for school lunches, and only $16. Cook smarter with the Cosori Iconic 6.5 QT Smart Air Fryer. Featuring PFAS-free ceramic coating and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy, consistent results every time. With multiple functions, air fry, roast, bake, dry proof, and reheat, plus a dishwasher-safe basket, it makes healthy, hassle-free cooking easy. Make cherry prep fast and mess-free with the 2026 upgraded cherry pitter. This smart 7-in-1 tool removes pits quickly with extra-large slots that fit more cherries at once. The transparent pit cup reduces splatter and keeps your kitchen clean while making cherry jam, desserts, or snacks. Dishwasher safe, easy to use, and only $18. Perfect for every fruit lover's kitchen. Enjoy hot meals anywhere with this 3.5L 2-layer electric lunchbox, just $36. With 90W fast heating and a 304 stainless steel detachable liner, it warms food quickly and safely. Featuring multi-voltage support for car, truck, home, or office, it's the perfect portable solution for fresh, warm meals on the go. Make perfectly shaped burgers every time with the Peak Bar Burger Press Patty Maker. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a comfortable wood handle, this non-stick press helps create juicy, uniform patties in seconds. It also includes 100 patty papers for easy stacking and cleanup. Perfect for BBQs, grilling, and homemade burgers, all for just $13. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSTBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Unlock rich flavor the traditional way with the Chef Sophie 1.5 cup mortar and pestle set. Crafted from unpolished heavy granite for superior grinding performance and a natural organic look. Perfect for crushing herbs, spices, garlic, and making fresh guacamole or sauces with ease. Durable, stylish, and built to last, this premium kitchen essential is yours for just $30. Meet the Hug Dug Spoon Saver, the cute and clever way to keep your spoon from falling into the pot. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it works as a spoon holder and lid lifter right on your stove. Fun, practical, and mess-free. It's a cool kitchen gadget that adds personality to everyday cooking. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the JennaCook Salad Chopper with Bowl. Featuring a large 8.5 cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Handle hot dishes safely and easily with the Soliter Plate Gripper Set. Perfect for Instant Pot accessories, air fryer pans, steamers, microwaves, and toaster ovens. These handy grippers help you lift hot plates and bowls without burns or spills. Durable, easy to use, and great for everyday cooking, this convenient 2-pack is a smart kitchen essential for just $20. Kitchen Drainer Basket. 2-in-1 collapsible colander. Rodigun's colander strainer basket set of 2 contains a basket and a colander. Get the versatility with this strainer bowl and colander set. Use them together for a convenient straining solution, or use them separately for unique kitchen tasks. A 3QT colander is suitable for rinsing or draining vegetables and fruits, or thawing frozen food. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen. Enjoy mess-free snacking with the Leuven 34-ounce pickle jar with strainer flip. Its clever hourglass design separates pickles from brine. Just flip to drain and flip back to store. Made from durable glass with a leak-proof, airtight lid, it keeps olives, jalapenos, and sliced pickles fresh. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's smart storage made simple. Make perfect homemade pizza with the aluminum metal pizza peel with rocker cutter. Featuring a durable 12-inch by 14-inch aluminum pizza peel, a sharp 14-inch rocker cutter, and a foldable wooden handle for easy storage. Perfect for indoor and outdoor ovens, this all-in-one pizza tool set helps you slide, serve, and slice like a pro. Grab this must-have pizza accessory for just $20. Serve pizza like a pro with the 17 by 13.5 bamboo pizza peel cutting board 2-in-1. A stylish 2-in-1 pizza peel and cutting board made from durable bamboo. Featuring dual grip handles and a large surface, it's perfect for baking, slicing, and serving homemade pizzas with ease. This complete pizza accessory set brings restaurant-style convenience to your kitchen for just $34. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Make perfect breakfast sandwiches every time with these stainless steel egg rings. This 4-pack includes non-stick 3.5-inch griddle rings for frying eggs, pancakes, and more with clean, round shapes. It also comes with an oil brush and egg separator for easy cooking and less mess. Durable, simple to use, and only $10. Perfect for quick homemade breakfasts.